Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show how to graph the line given its equation in slope-intercept form. And the equation of the line here is y equal -1/3 of x, okay? And as you can tell right here, this equation is written in slope-intercept form. Why? Because it can be written in the form of y equal mx plus b, okay? To build a line, we need to identify the slope and y-intercept. Okay, the slope and y-intercept. So let's identify m, the number for the slope. So the number for the slope is the number in front of x. Okay, so what number is in front of x? We have is -1/3. But what I'm going to do with the negative, I'm going to bring it up on the numerator. So I'm going to write -1 on top over +3. Okay, so now since I brought the negative upward, so what is the rise? The rise is -1, which is a negative number. So I'm going to go down 1 unit, okay? And the run is what? +3. So it means I'm going to move to the right 3 units. From which point am I going to start? Remember, we always want to start from the y-intercept, the number by itself. Uh-oh, I don't see a number being added or subtracted from -1/3 of x. So if you don't see a number, okay, it means that that number is, if you don't see a number added, the number right there is positive, it's 0, +0. Okay, so the y-intercept is 0. So what does it mean for the graph? It means that the line is passing through the origin. The y-intercept is the origin. Okay, so I'm placing a dot at your origin. That's where you're going to start. And then the slope tells us how we are going to build, in which direction to go to build a line. Because the run is, the rise is -1, okay, I have to go down 1 and then move to the right 3 times, okay? So what I would like to say here is, you see the negative is only written or used once. You don't want to use 2 negatives. Okay, why? Because if you use 2 negatives, okay, you want to put a negative on top and a negative below. Remember, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So that's why you cannot have 2 negatives. You can only use 1 negative. You could have chosen to use the negative below on the denominator, but for me, I prefer to use the negative up on the numerator. So let's go back. I'm going to start from the y-intercept, which is 0. Then I'm going to go down 1. So I'm sorry. So let's count. I'm counting down 1 unit down. Then I'm going to move to the right. You're going down 1, and I'm going to move to the right 3 times. Then I place my order pair. Okay. You want to go down 1 and move to the right 3 times, and then you place your order pair. You go down 1 and I move to the right 3 times, and then you place your order pair. Okay, so I think I am done. Okay, I am done plotting the dot, the order pair, to on the right side. Okay, now I want to do the left side. What do we do? Okay, it's the same as bringing the negative down. Okay, you could have bringing the negative down. What do I mean? You could have chosen to write 1 over -3. Then instead of going up, you're going to go. So instead of going down, sorry, you go up. And instead of moving to the right, you're going to move to the left. Doesn't mean you're going to build a different line. No. You're not going to build a different line. It just means you're just completing the line. You want to find the other pair to plot on the left side of the line. So always start, like I said, always start at the y-intercept. And the number for the y-intercept is always going to be b. Okay, that's what mathematicians have decreed a long time ago. Okay, there's nothing you can do about. So when you see b, they're referring to the y-intercept, and our b here is 0. Okay, so we start from here, and I'm going to go up 3. So I'm going to go again. Sorry, I'm going to go up 3 and then move to the left. So sorry, up 1. Okay, up 1, and then you want to move to the left 3 times. 2, 3. So let's explain now -3. The reason why you have a negative. That's why you have a -3 and then a -1. Okay, so then you place your order pair. So you want to go up 1, okay, and then you move to the left -30. So you have a -3. That's explain why the slope is a negative number. Okay, why? Because as you can tell, as the x value keep on increasing, the line is going to go down. Okay, on the right side, the arrow is pointing down, so I know the slope is negative. Okay, so I have enough order pair. I can continue, I can do one more. Let's do one more minute. So go up and to the left. Okay, so now let me erase the steps. So we have done. Okay, so let me go over this one more time. Then I'm going to connect the dots to be with a straight line. And remember, always include the arrows on the end of a line because the line continues forever on either end of the line. Okay, that's why you include the arrows. And we are done building the line. Okay, for the line y equal -1/3 of x. Okay, so the line passes through the origin, and as you can tell, as the x value increases, as the x value gets bigger and bigger, okay, the line is going down, so I know that the slope is negative. Okay, that's it. So thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.